It's Wednesday morning, the 16th of February, and I want to recap my swing trade that I got out of this morning. I took NVIDIA overnight, stock ticker NVDA. I bought it for the close yesterday on the screen daily, and I sold it this morning in the pre-market before the open. You can see I covered around $800 on this trade. Pretty good profit. So let me show you guys why I took this trade. Alright, so before I break down this swing trade, I do want to let you guys know that on top of NVIDIA, I also recommended Apple and Tesla for a swing trade yesterday on our Discord server. Now in a minute, I'll explain how you guys can get on this Discord server to get my top 3 picks and also how to learn my swing trading strategy. But first, let's break down this NVIDIA swing trade. So if you look here on the minute chart of NVIDIA, you can see exactly what happened here. My entry was right at the close yesterday, and my exit this morning was close to 7 a.m. I got out right when I saw it starting to fail. This pre-market, I decided to just accept this. It was about 0.4% profit I got on NVIDIA, and it ended up being a pretty good thing because if I didn't sell, I could have ended up losing not only like all that profit, but I could have actually ended up negative almost by 1%. So I'm happy that I covered that profit early like I always do, and I got my nearly $900 out of it. So now looking at the daily of NVIDIA, why I thought this was a good swing trade. It's not too hard to see here. It's been gapping pretty well off of these green dailies. It has had a few fails, but the last green daily that we had led to a gap of almost 3%. After seeing that, I felt pretty good about NVIDIA. Yesterday, it did end the day up nearly 9% or so. And because I saw this big movement, I felt pretty good about NVIDIA. I did though decide that I wanted to get my profit out early whenever I got it. If I was up a lot yesterday in the aftermarket, I would have probably covered there. But because I didn't really get much there and I got a lot more in the pre-market this morning, I decided just to cover and not risk it. So if you look here at the daily, now that it has a fail, I likely won't swing trade NVIDIA again. If I see a green daily, I want to see this gapping pattern form first. And once I see a gap, then the next green daily, I feel confident that it will also lead to another gap. So that's pretty much my thinking around NVIDIA. And another reason why I felt good about going heavy in the market. So I looked at the indexes yesterday. And if you look at the indexes yesterday, you would have seen that all of them were in the green. The Dow Jones had a big green daily, so did the S&P, and as well the NASDAQ. So because all indexes were in the green yesterday, I felt pretty good about going heavy in the market. They all actually ended up failing, but luckily NVIDIA was still a pretty bullish stock, and I ended up covering my profit. So also, if you guys want to see the stocks I swing trade, you can see that majority of stocks I swing trade are high market cap stocks, blue chip stocks. I'm not swing trading penny stocks. I'm not trading options. I'm just playing safe stocks, and I'm covering great profit on them. So if you guys want to learn the strategy, make sure you check out my swing trading tutorial at the end of this video. Also, make sure you join our Discord server, Sleep Easy Trades. Here's where I share my top 3 swing trade picks 15 minutes before the market closes. You can also ask us any questions about swing trading on here. You can find the Discord server link in the description below.